Have you ever just wished you could French braid your own hair or achieve heatless curls? Well, today I'm going to show you how I French braid my own hair the easy way. And I'll also show you how it gives your hair the perfect heatless curls. So stay with me, watch me French braid my own hair, and I'm going to teach you the easy way for you to be able to do it yourself. First off, you want to start with just damp hair. I just towel dried it, so it's not wet, it's not dry, it's just slightly damp. If you have real dry hair, you can start with an oil and just work a little bit into the palm of your hand. This is BioSilk. You can use any type of hair oil, and you can skip this step if you want, but I think that it just gives you a little bit more shine to your hair and will take out any frizzies that you might get. And just work it through your hair like so. And all you're gonna need beyond that is a hair tie and a comb. I taught myself how to French braid when I was about 15. I had really short hair, and the video Missing You by John Waite came out. This was in the 80s. And the girl in there had a perfect French braid, and I wanted my hair done like that. And everybody told me, oh, you can't do that. Your hair is too short. Your hair is too short. You'll never be able to French braid your hair. So I didn't like that answer, of course. I wanted that damn French braid. I didn't care if my hair was short. So I literally taught myself just by practicing. You know, I didn't have a clue what I was doing. I just was practicing movements, and somehow I grasped the form of how you do it. Stay with me and watch me do a French braid and see how our curls turn out afterwards. Start by just sectioning off. I wasn't sure if I wanted to put my bangs in it or leave my bangs out. I think I'm going to opt to leave my bangs out. So we're just gonna section the top part of my hair, just this top, what do they call this? The crown? You're gonna just section the crown of your hair. So it looks something like this. You just got the top part of your hair sectioned off, no bangs. See how even that is. It doesn't really matter because I'm just going to leave this in my hair all day. FYI, your arms will get tired. So I have my piece, which is just the top part of my hair. We are going to section this piece into 3. And we're going to start a regular braid. Just 1, 2, 3. Just start a regular braid. Now, we're going to drop, I'm right-handed, so I'm going to drop my right arm. Now that piece is down here, and my other hand is holding 2 pieces. So from there, I am just going to take from the side, and I am going to section out another piece of hair that I mix with the piece I dropped. And we're going to go ahead and cross that over just like we're doing a regular braid. Same thing here. We drop the left side and just kind of come over and pick up another piece. Cross it over, drop the right side. You can use a comb or you can use your fingers. I just use my fingers. And then the same thing. You pick up a piece, kind of get it a little bit evened out, and drop your left side. You can see we're starting to form a braid. We're going to go ahead and section from the side, cross it over, and drop. Pick up our hair, kind of straighten it out, and cross it over and drop our left side. Pick back up cross it over, drop the right side. And you're going to continue this all the way down until you have your French braid. Now, when you start getting down here towards the end of your neck or the base of your neck, you're going to want to put your head down and you're going to want to pull these tight as you're braiding them in. Otherwise, you will have a loose spot here, and you don't want that. You want it nice and tight. So as you are pulling, always pull tight. And then you're down here, you have all your hair picked up, and you're just going to continue your French braid down. If you have long hair, it gets harder as you get down. My braid to about here, my arms were fatigued. So you could either tie it off and then you could go back later when you pull it out and recurl these ends. Or you can try to find your separation and continue your braid. This is if your hair is long like mine is. It'll probably be a little messed up, but that's okay because ultimately I'm gonna take it out and we're gonna have heatless curls. If you just want a regular French braid, you could also just kind of twist that up. You can just use your comb and do this. Don't mind my bangs. Here is the braid I ended up with. My ends dried a little bit quicker than the rest of my hair, but that is what my braid looks like. What do you guys think? Is this something you think you can follow? Go ahead and just practice it. It doesn't matter. It's fun. Just practice. When you're doing nothing else, you're just sitting there doing absolutely nothing and you want to keep your hands busy, practice. Practice doing that technique on your hair and you will also get to where you can just blindlessly do it. Is blindlessly even a word? It is now because I just made it up. If it's not, blindlessly. You can blindlessly braid your hair. I just do it mindlessly sitting on the couch, or I'll braid it just at work. It takes me literally less than 2 minutes to do it, but I've been doing it for years now. You too can also learn how to do this French braid quick and easy. Let me know in the comment section below if you like this tutorial and if you were able to do it. Now we are just gonna let this sit for a little while and we're gonna take it out and I'm gonna show you the curls that I get from this. I went ahead and just slept in this. So let's take it out and see what I got. I should have put my bangs up in it, but I'll just curl them with a flat iron or something. You can run a little bit more oil through here. I let my hair go naturally gray, so it has more of a frizz to it. There's the back. It's like a natural, just a natural curl from a French braid. I'll work my bangs up a little bit. And that's just sleeping in a braid that I put in when my hair was just slightly damp. So there you have it. What do you think? Is this braid something you think you can follow? If you want me to try and do a video and have my boyfriend record it so maybe you can see what I'm doing a little better, I can try to do that also. I know my hands were kind of in the way, so it was hard to see. But this is what I get from just a French braid. All right, drop it in the comments below. What do you think? Can you follow that tutorial? Hey, don't forget to like and subscribe.